Okay, we're going to scare my son and his friend. Check it out.
Watch out, that's the box. What is it? That freaked me out. That scared me.
No, I ain't going to do it again. I ain't going to do it again. I just had to do it once. I'd seen it down there. I hadn't used it in a while. Did that scare you?
Yeah.
A little bit? Oh. You guys are playing some zombies?
No.
No. You want me to blow? I didn't think so. So I would say, yes, Daddy. That's what we're playing.
Yeah, that's actually.
What? I didn't hear it.
Yeah, that's
That ain't what I said.
I hate you.
That ain't what I said. Yes, Daddy. That's what I'm playing.
That's what I'm playing, Dad.
Dad or Daddy?
Daddy.
Okay.